I knew. Okay guys, so I already have my eyelids primed. I use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the number 25. I use a lighter concealer because I feel like the lighter the base, then the more the colors will pop up, since I'm working with such bright color. The first color that I'm going to be going in with is
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
STFU by NYX. This color is a really good yellow. I know like yellows are hard to find, especially for deeper skin tone women, but this color is the truth. So I'm just going to be applying this color into my crease and a little bit above my crease as my transition shade. Fan is on, so if y'all hear that annoying like it's my fan. I'm sorry, but it is hot. Y'all just gonna have to work with me. Tap off the excess. Applying your eyeshadow, you always want to go in with the lighter hand, because if you're going in like with the real, you know, if you're going in like that, you're not going to blend anything out. So as you can see, I hold my utensil at the end and I just like to like lightly blend it out. When you are blending out your concealer, you don't want to go, your concealer, when you're blending out your eyeshadow, you don't want to swipe back and forth. You want to use circular motion. So now I'm just going to be going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking this orange shade right here, and I'm going to be applying it right into my crease. And a trick to really get your eyeshadow into your creases, I like to take my mirror and angle it down, and I like to look down into the mirror and I can see like my crease starts right in here. of my yellow, so I'm just going to go back in with it and intensify it a little bit more. I'm just going to be mixing this blue and this purple and applying it onto my lid. The brush that I used to apply the orange, I'm just going to blend out the edges of where the purple and the blue and the orange meets. This is what it is looking like. I'm going to go apply some falsies, do the rest of my face, and I will be right back. I am back with the final look for you guys. I just went and put on some black eyeliner, and I lined my lips with just a random brown pencil, and I paired it with this soft matte lip cream by NYX in the color Athens, and I put some gloss on top because y'all know I love my gloss, and I put on this turban headband because I felt like it just went, of course, but I felt like it just went so perfectly with this look, and I love it. Like, I love this look. I love how it came out, and I hope you guys did too. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button below for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.